What's up, guys? It is Ryan again. I want to talk real quickly about something this kind of is really mind-blowing to me because a lot of people, they don't think about this. There's a lot of people that are out there chasing rewards, but they don't understand credit cards and finances. And here's the problem with that. When you're chasing credit card rewards, you have to really think, if you don't pay your credit card off at the end of the month, is that reward worth it, or is it actually costing you a lot more money in interest than you thought and realized? Let's go through it right now. Let's just say, for example, you spend $1,000 in your monthly cycle, just $1,000, okay? Let's just say an average credit card, you're gonna get between 1% and 2% cash back, okay? Average credit card. That's somewhere between $10 to $20 at 1% to 2% return, okay? The problem is this. Let's say you don't pay that $1,000 off. Now, again, you could use whatever number you want here in your spend or your credit card balance, but think about this. If you spend $1,000, if you do not pay $1,000, it doesn't matter if you pay $950. If you don't pay $1,000, they are going to charge you interest on $1,000, which is why it's critical for you to pay it off in full. At 17% interest, which is the average, I've seen 24% interest. At 17% interest, that's $170. That's an APR. Okay? You divide that by 12 months, it comes out to $14 a month. Guess what? You're only making $10 to $20 here. If you carry balances, this $14 is monthly. Every single month, it'll continue to go up. Now, obviously, if you paid $950 and you only have a $50 balance, you could take 17% of a $50 balance. That's assuming you don't touch the card again. But the reality is, you guys really need to understand how many rewards or how much in rewards dollars am I getting versus how much is it costing me in interest if I have credit cards that I don't pay to zero. This is why it's extremely important. I tell everybody, make sure you're always paying your cards off to zero. If you cannot pay a card off at the end of the month of the billing cycle, put that card away. Don't touch it again. Don't use it again. Don't even look at it again until that balance is paid to zero. Okay? Hope you guys found that helpful. Have an awesome day. I'll catch up with you in another video. Bye.